can have that. Spicy? Sour? What's up? What are you guys talking about?
Gyro.
What about it?
That's what I got.
Oh, you got a gyro?